as I sit here in our new RV, I gotta tell you, we're loving it more than we even thought we possibly could. It it's like a hand in a glove. It's just made for us. And yet, it took some work to get it that way. One friend made our curtains for us. Another friend installed solar for us. And another friend gave us twin beds and some other things. And as this work was being done, I was reading about the building of the temple. And it didn't say that God gifted one person to do everything. It said that God gifted some people to be stone cutters, and some people to be carpenters, and some people in embroidering. And it took all of those different people working together to create what God had planned. And so I got to be honest, while I'm selfishly loving this and enjoying this, I also realize that I need to be careful to use the gifts that God has given me to bless others. Yes, we compensated people for the work that they did, but we needed their giftedness. We desperately, we couldn't have done all of these things on our own. And so it's easy in today's society especially, I guess it always has been, to focus on ourselves. But Jesus said the greatest commandment is to love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, all your mind, and your spirit. And the second is to love your neighbor as yourself. Use your giftedness to help others. We hope that the videos that we make may be one way that we're able to help give back some. But we need to be challenged to always be looking for, what can I do for someone else?